Hello, my name is Michelle Pryor and I work at Kell. Here at Kell, we believe an appreciation of the wider valuation environment helps valuers, advisors and property owners make better decisions. In our webinar, we hope to add to your understanding of the valuation of real estate assets and the role that valuation software can play. We want to highlight the importance of good design, usability, and flexibility in a product, and how responding to industry changes brings benefits to users and designers alike. In attending this webinar, we hope you will learn these 3 things. An understanding of why valuations are so relevant in 2021. An awareness of the benefits of working with an experienced team of surveyors and software developers. And an appreciation of why UK valuers like Kell and like our valuation software. This webinar is relevant to anyone with an interest in valuation. Specifically, it raises the awareness of the UK valuation profession and the importance of using intuitive software designed by users within the industry, software such as that produced by Kell.